MidJourney has taken AI image generation and editing to a new level. They have released this new feature called as Very Region. MidJourney releases their own version of generative fill, competing directly with Adobe Photoshop. This new Very region allows you to add entirely new elements within pre-existing images and elements that fit the original image style. Let me show you how it works. So if you see this demo from MidJourney's website, the first thing you need to do is to generate an image. So just write any text prompt like colored pencil, chipmunk wearing a crown. Then use the U button to upscale your selected images. You can select either one of them and then select very region, this pencil button from here. And you can go with very strong, very subtle, but let's go with very region because we just want to select a region in this image. Then select the area or region within this image to regenerate, such as in this example, we are selecting this crown. Then submit your job. After submitting, you will view the result. So you can see that it has replaced this original crown with various variations of this crowns like, and you can select any one of them. And there are various other examples on this website from MidJourney. I will drop the link to this site in video's description so that you can play around. But as you can see that image editing in artificial intelligence is really taking off. It has become so much simpler that all you need to do is to give it a text prompt. It will generate an image and then you can edit the image as you like. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.